Nanu means I. Navu means we. Neenu means you. Neevu means also you. Nanu Rani. I am Rani. Neenu Raja or Neevu Raja. You are Raja. Now Badavaru. We are poor. Neevu Shrimantaru. You are rich. Neevu is to address a person with respect or to address a group of people.